helping with the animations. I really like doing stuff like arts and crafts. I enjoyed making 2 hearing aids with a heart in the middle and a hearing aid starting off separate and joining together and kissing in front of a heart, making a heart. I think it should be, like it's starting to do now, become accessible to more people. We have like signing there perhaps. Definitely make it a lot more accessible. It's starting to do that with having that deaf lady there, ailing somebody, I don't know her name, but having that deaf lady there and having other people there. So it is starting to do that, but I think it has a lot of catching up to do.
It brought me back a few years, more years back. Was talented dancing.
You've seen talented dancing?
Yeah, a bit excited about it. Having them to do a social method of dancing that I saw a few weeks ago. Kind of stunning. Never thought I'll go back into logo. Right? But
Yeah.
it was very interesting.
The Lego.
Very interesting indeed. I like basically have a fair good joy. Good idea of what people that always